Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Asif, Spine and Sports Injury Specialist. Today we are having Mr. Naresh Kumar Gujar. He is from Jaipur. So he has been suffering with the back and neck issue since a very long time because of his disc bulge at C5, C6 and C4, C3. Along with that, he has some disc bulge at his lower back as well. He has some L5, S1 issues, and due to that, he's been having pain in his back along with the pain traveling in his leg and traveling in his left arm with numbness. So he's been suffering with this problem since maybe 1 year, and he's been shown to a lot of doctors and he's having medicine and all, but still he was not very comfortable with any treatment. So he's here since few days. So we would like to talk to him and we'll just understand about his problem, and then we'll show you one chiropractic adjustment for his neck and for his back. So let's talk with Mr. Naresh Kumar. तो नरेश जी, क्या एग्जैक्टली क्या हुआ था आपको? कब से दर्द है?
सर मुझे लगभग 2 साल से दर्द है।
2 साल से दर्द है?
जी सर।
तो कुछ दर्द स्टार्ट होने की कोई वजह थी, जैसे आपने कोई वेट उठाया था या कोई झटका लगा था, गिरे थे, या ये अपने आप दर्द आ गया आपको?
सर ऐसा तो मुझे पता नहीं है किस लिए हो रहा है, लेकिन 2 साल से हो रहा है। मैं बहुत डॉक्टरों को दिखाया सर, बहुत सारी हॉस्पिटल्स में दिखाया, लेकिन मुझे आराम नहीं मिला। यहाँ आपके पास आया सर, उसके बाद से मुझे बहुत आराम महसूस हो रहा है सर।
आराम महसूस?
जी 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 जी।
तो ऐसा कोई ऑब्वियस इनका रीजन नहीं है पेन का। कई केसेस में जो है वो जो पेशेंट होता है उसको नहीं पता होता है कि ये जो डिस्क बल्जिंग हुआ है, जो प्रॉब्लम हुआ है, वो किस वजह से हुआ है। कई केसेस में लोगों को वो वेट उठाने की वजह से या गिरने की वजह से, एक्सीडेंट की वजह से या हैवी वेट उठाने की वजह से ये प्रॉब्लम होती है, तो उनको इसका रीजन पता होता है, बट इनको नहीं पता कि ये प्रॉब्लम कैसे स्टार्ट हुई। बट 2 साल से ही हैज बीन रियली सफरिंग अ लॉट, so he was quite disturbed when he came to me, and he was quite that I was struggling to get all right with this problem. तो हमने इनको अभी मेरे ख्याल से हम 4 सेशन करेंगे इनका, और जैसे मैंने बताया, जैसे इन्होंने अभी खुद बताया, ही टोल्ड अस कि ही इज फीलिंग लिटिल बेटर। इनके केस में क्योंकि इनका नर्व इन्वॉल्वमेंट है, नमनेस है, तो नमनेस मैं बताना चाहूँगा आप लोगों को भी कि इन केस इफ यू हैव नमनेस और टिंगलिंग सेंसेशन और वीकनेस इन योर लेग, sort of slight foot drop or any posture misalignment, these issues will take little time. Even though if we do the 5 session or 7 session, still that it takes some time to recover. So it's not that immediately you will feel better after the treatment, because in his case he has come from the Jaipur, he has come from the distance. So we have been doing the regular treatment and everyday treatment. So after the treatment, once he finishes treatment, then also there is a possibility, there is a chances of recovery. In most of the cases, we have seen the people who come from the different cities, once they finish their treatment of 5 days or 7 days, once they go back, and then after 15 days, 17 days, or maybe 20 days, they report us that they are feeling better now. Maybe instantly they may not feel good in numbness or in tingling sensation. Pain, in any case, like if he has pain, if you have pain will get subside within a day 1 or day 2. But other issues, neurological issues, will always take little time to settle down. So इनका हम एक सेशन करेंगे आज. We are going to do some adjustment for his neck and back. So just see how we do the adjustment for this problem of neck and back. Start from the leg length, so then we'll get the idea of his pelvis. So in his case, his right leg is bit shorter than the left. Earlier it was quite a bit, but now the shortening has reduced. It's just a marginal shortening is still persisting. In the facet joints, this is called transverse mobilization of vertebra. Facet joints. Shoulder loose, loose. Absolutely relax your neck, don't move, loose. hold your arm. So we are going to do the L5 plus 1. Yes, breathe in. Yes, very good. Again, breathe in. Breathe out. Yes, straight. Breathe in. Breathe out. Straight. Squeeze the neck. बिल्कुल रिलैक्स लेटना है, जैसे बेड पे लेटना, टोटल लूज। लंबा सांस ले, सांस लो, जस्ट लूज, रिलैक्स, बिल्कुल ढीला। So friends, this was the adjustment for L5S1 and C5C6. If you have any similar issue or if you have been suffering with any kind of spinal pain or back pain, you can consult to us. You can get your chiropractic treatment done. If you have any postural misalignment, then also you can go for a chiropractic. It has a good result in postural misalignment. And most of the time, lower back pain or low back pain or cervical pain is a mechanical pain due to wrong posture or due to excessive sitting on the desk. So please write your problem in our comment box. We'll reply to you, and please subscribe our channel, and please do press the bell button so then you will get the all notification. Thank you very much.